In this video, we're going to break down the concept of isolating details and recalling facts. Mastering this skill can vastly simplify your test-taking experience. Think of reading as a strategic process. As you read, highlight key terms and take note of definitions. Record a brief list of events happening in the text to make referencing the text afterwards simpler. These steps will help guide you straight to the heart of the matter. Let's take a look at some concrete examples. Take a moment to pause the video and read the text on the screen. Now that you've read through the passage, let's skim each paragraph again and very briefly summarize each paragraph using bullet points. Paragraph 1 gives us a general introduction to Kung Fu and a brief overview of what we can expect to read about in this passage. Paragraph 2 discusses the concept of balancing external and internal strength. Paragraph 3 discusses katas, or Kung Fu forms. And paragraph 4 discusses the moral values of Kung Fu. While it's true that this overview seems very bare bones, when it comes to the matter of isolating facts and recalling details, we'll see that it can help us speed up the process. Let's take a look at the following question. In which paragraph would you find information about the balance between external and internal strength? 1, 2, 3, or 4. Without having to look through the text to locate the answer, we can first check our overview, where we've isolated the main details of the text. Sure enough, we can see that we've noted that paragraph 2 discusses balancing external and internal strength. And glancing back at paragraph 2 in the text, we can see that this is accurate. Although paragraph 1 briefly mentions the idea of balancing physical and mental strength, it doesn't delve into the topic like paragraph 2 does. Therefore, B, paragraph 2, can be marked as our final answer. Let's take a look at another question. When the passage discusses katas, to what is it referring? A, Kung Fu schools, B, martial arts styles, C, Kung Fu forms, or D, mental strength. Glancing at our overview, we can see that paragraph 3 discusses katas. Although this doesn't answer our question, now we don't have to waste our time wading through the entire passage to locate where katas are mentioned. Heading straight to paragraph 3, we can see that forms, known as katas, refine techniques through choreographed sequences. Heading down to our choices, we can see that C, Kung Fu forms, best matches our findings. While Kung Fu schools, martial arts styles, and mental strength are all mentioned in the passage as well, none of them are mentioned in relation to katas, which is what our question is asking. Therefore, we can mark C, Kung Fu forms, as our final answer. Now that you've got the hang of it, try your hand at isolating details and recalling facts with the mock test questions below.